Okay, so what you have to do is let's first grab our video. So open your folder where you have your videos are located, grab them and drag them into the in your playlist, and now grab the video and drag it into the timeline. And here now you have your video. You can hold control to and use the middle mouse to zoom in and zoom out in the timeline. And now what we have to do to add our music is to right click on this output here, right click, and when you right click, you have this track operations. Make sure you select add video track, and also use the shortcut. That's what I use, Control I, it's much faster. And now we have another track here. So what you gotta do is just to go to the folder where you downloaded your music. So here I have a couple of songs. Just grab your song and drag it onto the timeline, and now drag it over your videos so you can have your video. And now this is output. You can also add a track operations and add an audio track, which will be added here. Okay, so you add it here now, and this is our audio track. All right, this is our audio track, and this is for this is for audio, and this is for video. Okay, add video track and add audio track. And here we have the audio, and then we also have the video. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials.